For the herringbone stitch, you start with 2 parallel lines. Bring your needle up on the very left hand side on the bottom line, or you can start at the top line, either one. And then we're going to make a nice diagonal from here to the top line. Bring your needle back down. Then we will go 1 stitch length to the left of this line. And then we're gonna make another diagonal line back down to the bottom line. Then again, bring your needle up on the left where we went down. And then make the same angle diagonal line up to the top. Bring your needle up to the left of that hole, and then down to the bottom line at an angle. And just continue that along the lines. Really simple. And that is how you do a herringbone stitch.